To join our winning team, get VIP signals for only $150. You pay once, then you're done. It's lifetime. And also you can get MT4 and MT5 signal indicator, which is going to provide you with the signals. Bye. Get funded with Traders Central to kickstart your trading career and make the profit that you deserve, and you will get access to TradingView, my FX book, and many more, and enjoy Traders Central ecosystem and so much more on their marketplace. Link in my description. Check the link, then you will start to enjoy more of the funding. Thanks. Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. So guys, I received so many questions about this app. This app that you see here is actually a US company. It's actually listed on NASDAQ. It's called FUTU, FUTU. So if you want to use this app, actually, if you are outside from US, obviously you can able to open the account because they only allow you as citizens, but you can still use the app, which is very great. But if you are in the US, please support your boy by clicking the link and registering. You can even get some free stocks. So simple as that. And it's much better than going on CNBC and looking for the news that can support your analysis with maybe NASDAQ US30. This can give you very nice structure on what's really happening on those NASDAQ and US30s, right? So, but at the moment, the market is not open. As you know, the market opens around 9:30 in the US. So at the moment, we just still very early. That's why you will see the market is not really moving. So the ones that is moving, you can see, is the one in Hong Kong. The market already opened. You will see the movements, or maybe let's say China, you will see some movements. But yeah, if you really want the app, or if you want to support me, if you are in the US, open the link, use the link in my description to enjoy some more of these stocks. You know, as traders, we also have to have some stocks. So let's go straight to the daily analysis. I'm going to start with USOIL as always. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I'm just happy because I just received my you can see my match. You can see it's Xtrahot Forex. It's very great, guys, to have your own brand on your own t-shirt. So it's very great. So what do we see here? We are on USOIL, as you can see, and on a 4-hour time frame. If you missed my previous analysis, still you have a chance to go back, watch them so that you understand what's really happening. So at the moment, we see that the market is going up, but we see that there is a small rejection. So what we expect is, I expect the market maybe to come back around this area before we see the market push up. But still, we have around this area, there is an area that we can just, I think that makes sense. Let me do that. Let me use that, because that area, it's the previous high, and we can see that the market can come there again. And if it comes back again around that area, it's where we can say the market, we can buy around this area, and the market might push up in our favor. And this area maybe is going to be our next resistance. Then the market might continue doing something like that. Why we say that? Why we say maybe the market is going to do something like that? It's because when we look back, the market has been creating something like that. Then that's how you say your strategy works. Sorry, I feel I need to sneeze. No, everything's fine. So what I see is here, and actually the market has to come back around this area, or maybe for us to say we're going to buy, we can wait for the market to reach this area before we can say the market is going to push to the upside. Or maybe if the opposite happens, which might happen, we will see the market breaking this area, going below this area, and our last hope, it will be this support area which we had from like since very low. If it's broken, we can say now the market is going to the lowest side, which we can say the market is about to sell. Simple as that. So we don't have to complicate things. We just need to take things very slowly, very slowly. So let's go straight to what? To gold. If you still remember what I've told you yesterday, the market was retesting yesterday. Let me reduce this. The market was retesting this area yesterday. Then I see that the market retested, then pushed up. Unfortunately, I did not send the signal about this. So the best thing that I can do, let's go straight to a daily time frame so that you can see exactly what I was talking about on a bigger picture. On a bigger picture, or on a bigger time frame, is going to be something like this. I hope you can see the market actually it's been respecting this area. You can see that. Then after we saw a breakout, which happened, I think it's yesterday. Yeah, yesterday or day before that. So what happens here is, once the market broke out of that, for us to continue maybe to say we need to buy, actually we need to wait for a retest, which actually happened. We saw the market pushing lower than up. Unfortunately, I did not send the signal, but if you know what you're doing, obviously you were going to take the trade, because the breakout was just way too straightforward. And I like this because when you check the structure just respects everything that we do here. Unfortunately, I don't really trade gold. I focus only on NASDAQ and GERMAN40 at the moment. Why we trade so many few things is because it's quite easy to track so many, very few pairs. Actually, you're supposed to trade one thing only. So here is, if maybe you missed the trade, I think the market is creating a higher low before maybe pushing to the upside. So I don't think maybe you can sell around this area, or maybe you can say, Kenzo, what if the market is going to go to the lower side? Yes, that is also possible, and the market might still push the lower side. But since the market is above our resistance, we look at that as a bullish momentum, and the market might keep pushing to the upside. What you can do is you can just go to a bit smaller time frame and look for where you can maybe continue to buy. You can see the market already retested. This is a 2-hour time frame. Already the market retested. Maybe now the market is creating another higher low before pushing to the upside. It can create something like this, pushing to the upside. Don't just expect the market to go straight non-stop. The market has to give us this some small rejections before it pushes to the upside. So let's push to the next one, which is GERMAN40. Whoa, this thing is like seriously flying. This thing is seriously flying. You know why the market moves like this? Sometimes you can't always catch this type of moves because there is too much economic news or fundamentals going on at the moment. So it's easy. The market will just go up and down very crazy. Yesterday, actually we had something like a buy around this area. Within that 5 minutes, the market just dropped. You see, so when you check the news, sometimes it's Russia, Ukraine, stuff like that. Now the market is doing the same thing, recovering that within like few minutes. So it's crazy actually. But what do we see at the moment? We see that the market actually reached, let me draw this. This is our support area. You can see this is our support area, and the market reached that area. So around on the top area, we can see that we have a resistance area where we can say, you know what, this thing is still flying. So where we can say, if the market reaches that area, if the market is going to reach this area, we expect the market to respect that. Why? Because we saw that the market is being respecting that. But it's possible that the market might break this area and push to the upside. Easy as that. We don't need to complicate things. So what do we see at the moment? Obviously, you can't buy at the moment. We see that, I was supposed to buy this, yes, but if you miss that, it's fine. Let's wait for the market to reach this area and see if the market is going to break that. If the market is not breaking that, we might see the market pushing to the lower side. But if it's going to break that, if SIC is way too bullish, maybe it's going to break this area and push to the upside, which is possible. But we will check what's really happening in the market. Maybe Ukraine and Russia, maybe they resolved their issues. Maybe, we don't know, maybe. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. No, it's not. This is not US30. This is NASDAQ. There is, whoa, the market is going crazy. Okay, it seems like there is positive news going on. Obviously, when you see the market creating something like this, there is some positive news going on at the moment. So, but what do we see at the moment? The market actually gave us some very nice bullish momentum, but that changed when the market breaks this area as our support area. But now, just look at what's really happening. As we're still looking for that sell, we're looking maybe for the market to go lower, then guess what? The market is now back on that support area, which means this thing is creating another new structure. But we should be careful, because this type of moves, guys, they can easily come back and recover whatever that the market did. The market can still do the same thing. But what you can do is, if you are not in the trade, don't just jump in the market just because you don't want to miss this out, right? Wait for the market to do its thing. Then it's going to create a very nice structure. Even if you get late, as long as the market is going to create a very nice structure for you, it's much better than nothing. I hope you understand that, right? So let's push to the next one. So what I'm looking at here, I am looking at US30, and the best thing that I can do is to relax and see if maybe the market is going to or maybe I can say I'm just going to wait for the market to give me a very nice structure. Maybe we might see something like this, but let's wait for it to settle down or to cool down before we see another structure, because there is possibility that the market might still push to the lower side. But what I like is, I just want the market to recover, guys. You can support the channel by clicking the join button below and get exclusive content and daily analysis. You can get free free stock and up to 3,500 each, and access zero commission professional trading platform. Link in my description. Sold off. Now the market is defying that again. It's coming back, and remember, this area was a sort of a support area, right? So what do we see? We can just try to zoom this thing out. Remember, guys, let me remove this. I was teaching, I was doing some like my members on YouTube, paid membership on YouTube. I was doing some videos. Then you can't just see them here, obviously. For you to get that, it means you have to click that join button around somewhere there, down there, to join. Then you will get exclusive content, obviously. So what we see here is, don't get fooled by this type of a move. That is a very nice move, because it shows that we still have some sort of a bullish momentum playing around. But remember, we are still under bearish momentum. The market is still under this bearish momentum. The market is still respecting that. After, when the market, maybe let's say the market is going to push the upside and break maybe this resistance, you know what, we're going to think differently and say, you know what, now the market might be now on a bullish momentum. But still, if the market is not breaking that, it means we're still under this bearish, and we're going to respect that. And when the market reaches here, when it gives us some bearish momentum, we're going to sell that, right? Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And don't forget that around 2 o'clock, like from Tuesday to Friday, we have like Zoom meeting where we go live and we just talk about Forex, mostly about NASDAQ, what's going to happen before that. But remember, since I also have so many things that I do, sometimes I might not have the time to go live. But if I get that time, I will send you the link. Check on the Telegram link. Check the Telegram. You can join the Telegram. It's for free. Then you can get the link from there. So what I see is, the market is still playing with us here. What I can say is, let's, at the moment, since the market is under bearish, let's just look at the bearish momentum, and we can only sell this thing unless if maybe the market is going to go above our resistance. Besides that, maybe we can say the market is still going to go lower and reach this support area. We don't know, but maybe that might happen. But at the moment, let's just wait for the market to play around. Don't get twisted with the move here and just jump on the market. The market might just ban your account very, very quick, right? So yeah, thanks guys. I don't really want to make these videos very long. Just support the guy, smash the support subscribe button, share with your friends, guys. Let's grow the channel. Thanks to everyone who already subscribed, guys. Thanks to everyone who already subscribed. When times goes on, maybe a few months to come, I will be maybe sharing these t-shirts with my membership. When you click the join button, I will be sharing that. I will inform you how I'm going to do it, but I need to do that. So just to say thank you guys to supporting this channel. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bow.